ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for students needing to prepare at the last minute. Here's how it can help. It provides quick summary of key concepts, allowing students to review important material efficiently. It can create bullet point list, essential facts, formulas, even helping students to focus on what's more important. Student can ask for a review of a specific topic they feel less confident about. It can generate quick practice questions to test understanding on the spot, helping students identify areas they need to focus on. ChatGPT helps students make the most of their last-minute preparation, ensuring they are as ready as possible for their exams or assignments.